Here's a 2016 Acura RDX. It provides the comfort and luxury of a large SUV with the moves and fuel economy of a small one. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Cars.com explains the Acura RDX is better armed to win over shoppers. It's larger, lighter, and more efficient while offering an attractive value proposition. Acura has a legacy of innovation, a legacy that continues here. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.